Manager accountability and making sure that all jobs are done on time is one of the strongest features that CIS has to offer an organization. Let's enter CIS and we'll log in as a manager. You'll notice that I am welcomed, Peter Sanderson, and CIS has prepared a home page specifically for me. On the home page, I have all the action items that are due, including customer feedback, work orders, NCRs, training. Anything that has been assigned to me, Peter Sanderson, will be highlighted in these action items. I can hover over each action item and get a quick idea of what it is, and if I'm ready to work on it, I can actually click a link and it'll bring me right to the record so that I can complete the action item itself. Furthermore, we have a calendar on our home page. This will outline any management meetings. You would think that this would be enough to get things done. However, in addition to action items, whenever an action item is assigned to a manager, let me slide over an email here, we'll see that CIS will send out an email that tells me what work has to be done. So this email tells me, as an example for a work order, the steps, what has to be done, and the actual due date. In addition to this, we have a calendar in CIS. This is a master calendar that when we click it will show us a list of everything that is due within the organization. We call this managing by transparency because it's not only what is due that I have to do, Peter Sanderson, it's all action items throughout the company. So as executive management, I can look at this calendar periodically and see what's late, what is not completed. For example, here we have a user's calendar. On the calendar, it would outline all managers who are not available that day. We have meetings that are scheduled, corrective actions that are due, calibrations, action items from meetings and from audits, training that is due, vendor reevaluations, work orders, and at any point in time we can click a link and it'll bring us right to the details of what has to be done. One would think that this is enough. However, we've gone one step further. Under reports and graphs, we can get a manager's action report. The manager's action report will outline all actions for all managers that are past due. This is a late report. So for example, it'll show us meetings, action items not completed, quality objectives not completed on time, work orders that are past due, non-conformities, corrective actions, customer feedback, sales marketing logs that need to be followed up on. So everything in your organization by manager, manager's name, and all the actions that are late is presented in this nice report. We can have a report by manager or by a group of managers. So again, CIS ensures that all action items are performed on time. This is accountability by transparency.